Never even noticed this wheel till now.
I dig it.
I dig it.
I like the shoulder on it. I just don't know whose brand it is.
Is that what you say? Comment below.
Dang, them shoulders though.
That is what you say, Danny. Good job. I like it. The comment below. But I think the diamond cut's good. You know, I think we get this tank emblem off of here, and when we paint this thing, we can always put this back on. It's kind of crusty, but it's not terrible, right? It's got a little bit of burgundy in it. Maybe we paint this thing pearl white with some burgundy and some blue.
Blue, you know about that.
Oh wow.
Blue.
Oh wow. Ryan's like, I didn't see that combo coming. I was still thinking about banana bread.
I was getting nervous when you said pearl white. I got nervous. I was like, don't you dare say purple.
Oh, I didn't
don't
add
you
no
dare say
magenta.
purple.
I know, no, those purple and pink leggings, those ones from Flashdance that you're gonna wear when you're debuting your bike at Sturgis, I'm fine with that.
All right.
You do your thing.
Oh, you knew about the pants? You knew about the pants?
Yeah, we're not gonna step on your.
Okay.
Yeah, now that's your game.
Okay.
You go, Flashdancer.
Hold on, what?
Was that the intro? And all that talk, the front fender's off.
Typically, I'll be much more careful,
back.
but because we're gonna paint a different fender, I'm gonna be just as careful. Like to go on the taller, bigger side up here, just because I don't like scratching stuff. You want to spike this thing?
It's worth a lot of money to somebody.
Okay. Then don't.
Got the back right there?
Got her supported.
All right, Danny's coming in with the bolts. Sounds like a NASCAR pit stop.
Ooh, Chevy tuned up like a NASCAR pit stop.
He knew where I was going.
Where are we going?
Is this thing gonna have an ice cream paint job?
I think we're
Pretty
gonna
close. On a side note, I know this is a Harley-Davidson, but check out my new shirt.
Bro, it's got Indian on it.
Isn't it cool?
Can't wear Indian stuff while working on a Harley.
Up out of the front.
Bro, but get a zoom in on some of these. Like, right there. Let me cover for the camera. I'm showing a little.
What do you think?
Seriously, I mean, look at it.
Would you just look at
Look at
it?
this. Blah, right? Total blah, right? Right? Yeah, alright, cool. Look at that thing, man. Sets the front end off. Sets the wheel off. Classy.
Looks nice.
And then you can do whatever you want with it.
What are we doing next?
Next we'll do the rear fender. What do you guys think?
I agree with that statement. Do you agree with it?
Yep.
All right,
Okay.
Let's do it.
run it.
Had to wait for that audible. Let's remove this fender.
Almost forgot my milk crate.
Gonna have to remove the seat. Okay.
If yours comes with the seat.
Yeah, like ours, it didn't come with a seat.
I'm gonna put a milk crate down because of my height restraints.
Okay. Short stack over here needs a little boost.
That's nice. Y'all get to it, man.
Like every other instructional sheet out there, disconnect your negative battery cable. Not that you really need to, but I mean,
If yours came with a battery.
if it came with a battery. Let's see, what else? You're gonna loosen the 5 strut brace bolts.
Recommend disconnecting the rear lighting harness
Yeah,
as well, so you don't
right
have your
here.
hands full with a fender.
Conveniently,
Trying.
it was already disconnected when we got to it. I wonder if the guy we got it from was planning on doing this exact same thing.
Could have been.
Maybe.
Could have been.
No seat, no battery, rear harness disconnected, ECM disconnected already when we got it.
Yeah. He was gonna reach out to Clockworks for the fender too, I think.
Maybe. I guess we never will know.
We're gonna.
Hey, if we got this bike from you, let us know if that was your plan.
On the plus side, if you buy a bike with less parts, you get them cheaper.
Yeah, that's true.
And you ain't gotta work so hard getting everything apart.
Exactly.
Works awesome when you have replacement parts.
Strut up.
I think it's out.
Slowly. Hang on. You can finesse them out if you're gentle.
Now, for those of the people out there who don't know, where'd you unplug that at?
This?
Yeah.
This typically goes into this head over here.
Feel it? Feel it. Yeah.
Heck yeah, you heard it
Tail
first.
light.
Here, over at Clockworks, we put headlights on the back.
Oh my god. You got plates in here. Whoa. I didn't know you were gonna do that move.
That's the easiest way to remove that tab. Didn't even break it.
There you go. Being nice is too nice.
There you go. Okay.
That is not a headlight. Okay?
We're going to take a quick commercial break here because whether... Oh, no, we're not. Actually, no, we're not. No, we're not. Hey, so come over here. If you guys are using the factory struts, see these little guys right here? Gonna have to boop, boop, pop these little rivets out of there. And you gotta take these out so that you have something to bolt to, right? But because we're using the drag struts, the flush mount struts, flush, okay? We have studs on the back. Well, you can't exactly mount the fender. This is this side. You can't exactly mount the fender when the tire's in there. Can't get your little piggies in there. So we're gonna take the rear wheel off, install the fender, jack it way up to the sky, put the tire back in, and then we're gonna drop it back down.
Think by chance
Do it the cool way.
we little hands people can get in there?
Yeah.
We can try it.
Can we try it?
We can certainly try it. For those of you doing this at home, if you have mitts like me, get someone with really small digits to help you. Because I've tried, and it doesn't work for me.
So, recommendations. Test fit before you go to paint. It's just common practice. But I just realized too, I think you can go through the ECM caddy hole if you really needed to.
Yeah, I can go up to the back over here.
You go
There
right
we go.
here. So that might be your move instead of trying
You get the other one on there?
There you go. Take 2 nuts.
Take 2.
Gotta come
I know it
down on
looks
my
weird.
side.
It's not.
Okay, take
That-
2 nuts.
That nut is booger town, brother.
Oh, it's booger. Damn boogers.
Got him.
You heard it first. You saw it first. Right there. First hand.
Got another nut?
I got one here too.
Oh, Shelton has one. It's gold.
Very nice.
You get her?
Yep.
All right.
So we don't need this nut? God, I spent hours looking for it.
Dang, dude. This thing's almost gonna need a lift kit.
Baby got back. So the whole look of this bike just changed, and all we did is swap out a couple fenders.
How about doing that? Wow. Look how nice it looks.
Would you just look at it?
This looks awfully fine. Man, look at that booty.
Easy.
Can I get it for the gram?
Oh. Sing. Now, next question.
Hit me with it.
Do we want to attack the mock-up of the dash and relocation kit, or do we want to just go ahead and do the bars?
Hey, before we do that, can I get thanks for tuning into episode 2 of the fender install?
Hey everybody there at home, thanks for tuning in for episode number 2 for the Benchmark Fender Vicla install.
How do you bring the hype up
What
on the
what was
exit?
that thing that you said to me? What was the Viva la Vicla, baby!
Damn, what
Woo!
How do you bring the hype up for the exit?
I love people.
I don't like them that much, man.
Let us know what you think. Do you like the stretch benchmark? Do you like the front benchmark? Do you like the way that this bike is going? We sure do. Tune in for episode number 3 when we tackle our smooth, curvaceous dash, our ignition relocation, and our 19-inch clip hangers. See you soon.